I might be maturing faster than everybody around me just because I'm seeing more.
You are.
You know what I'm saying? And when I be looking, I be like explaining, they be like,
what?
Yo, why you acting like you know the, I'm like, you know what I'm saying? Because sometimes you request something a little better. You want things to move a little, because now you get to go out and you see how your team work. You know what I'm saying? You get to go and you see how Nicki Minaj people outside, how they move. So you like, all right, this how y'all gonna move. You know what I'm saying? They might look at you like you bugging. But they don't know. That's how successful happen. Like that's how the successful people move. Like, so you know what I'm saying? So that yeah, that's a fact. You know what I'm saying? That's a fact. Like ain't seeing it how you seeing it, understanding it how you understanding it. That's a fact. Walking, check. Make some money. I'm saying, I got family members know how to draw. I got family members know how to do anything. Like I be do anything. Like do anything. Send me anything. Do anything. I can connect you with this. I'm saying easy. Like
you gotta be ready to work.
You gotta be ready to work. But that's what it be. Like I don't think they be saying they ready to work, but ready to work, son.
They don't even know what it is, bro.
They don't ready to work.
They don't know what that means.
That's crazy.
But they don't know what that means.
And they don't understand.
They think work is.
Yeah,
they think they know what work is, and that's why. Listen, you know. They think they know what work is.
It ain't. You know what I think work is? I think work is doing it you don't want to do. Not that you feel like, all right, I got time, let me just do this. It's like when I don't want to do it, like, that's when it's like you hustling. When it's like, damn, I'm tired, I ain't sleeping 2 days, and when it's like, I just came from something, or it's like somebody telling you something fun happening, you putting it off. Like, no, just get it done, get out the way. If you really want to succeed, even if this, like, whatever you do, you got to be ready to sacrifice everything. Like, you might lose your kids. Like, you might lose your friends, your family, your girl. Because nobody don't understand what you fighting for, won't understand what you doing. So, yet it don't make sense to them. So it's like, why you staying up? Or why you not talking? Why you not coming to chill with us? Or why you not seeing the? Why you don't have no money for on the come up? You gotta be ready to lose everything, like, cause you know what you gonna get it, right? But you gotta be ready to sacrifice everything. I was ready. I ain't know I was ready, but I was like, I wasn't thinking about it. Like, I'm doing this, I'm gonna sacrifice everything. But I was like, I cared about that a little more than I cared about everything else. You know what I'm saying?
Because you knew to get to the return.
Yeah,
So that you
I knew
could
I'd
bring.
be back. I knew I'd be back. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be good. I'll be back. I'm saying everybody good now, but not everybody. People still feel like I left them. I'm saying people still feel like I don't speak to them enough. You know what I mean? People still feel like I don't spend enough time. I'm saying still, but it's work. I'm 50,000 for a verse, no album out. You know what I'm saying? For real, like Meek with. So it was giving me experience. So now when it's like where I'm more comfortable, I could pace myself more. So I know I could coach. Yo, y'all gotta do this. Oh, yo, bring this up. We could chop it up. I got some free time. You know what I'm saying? Where it was like before, it was like I don't really know my schedule. I don't really know what I'm doing. So it's like I can meet you, then I don't meet you because I forgot about this. Like I'm like running, not sleeping. I'm saying more experience is better though. And I feel like as the years go on too, I'll be able to more understand how I'm moving, and I'm saying cater to everything more better and easier. But it just takes time, and that's what I be asking of people. And I feel like that's what anybody that come up in the game gotta ask of the people that support them. But you gotta make sure you say it, and that's the thing. That's what I feel like. That's what caused the problem. I'm saying not speaking on it, not and feeling like I am doing this. They just gotta understand. I'm saying I feel like they gotta speak on it a little more. I'm saying and if they don't understand after the speaking, then it's like okay, you then. But I feel like I'm learning like not to leave that open gap. Could make his own conclusion. Oh no, fuck with me. Oh no, no. I don't fuck with you because of this. Okay. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Or whatever the case may be.
Clarity.
Yeah, clarity. Like you just gotta give clarity.
And also, man, the responsibility that you talked about, right? When you are an individual that has reached a certain level of success in your circle, in your family, in your community, you have a view of the world that they haven't been able to get yet. And so because you're seeing things that they can't see, because either, they haven't been where you've been. They haven't been in the environments that you've been in, haven't had the experiences yet. And so their expectations are based on their lens.
Right. Nah, that's true.
You know what I'm saying? And so when you're trying to explain it to them, they not even going,
It's
even
hard
if
for
you
them to
explain it to them,
understand.
they can't see it.
It's
It don't make sense.
I know.
You know what I'm
I
saying?
go through that a lot.